welcome to Tech Speakers. Today we are having few interesting technical content. So without any delay, let us start our new episode, Tech News number 2. The first technical update is from MI. Today MI 10 Youth Edition has spotted antenna certification. The MI 10 Youth Edition is all set to launch on April 27th in China, and it also comes with 5G connectivity. Moving on to its display, it may have 6.57 AMOLED display, and it comes with in-display fingerprint scanner, whereas it may have 48 megapixel as primary camera, and it is capable of recording 4K video. They haven't mentioned about any processor, but few leaks suggested that it may have 2.4 GHz processor. It comes in 3 variants, whereas the primary variant is 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM. The secondary variant is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. The higher variant is 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. It comes with battery capacity around 4060 milliamps. This technical update is from Huawei, where the render images of Huawei Y8s has been spotted in GSM Arena. The leak suggested that it may come with glassy green, and it also comes with 48 megapixel camera, while few other leaks suggest that it may have wider notch on the top of the display. This technical update is from MI. We know that MI Pay is used for digital payments. Now MI Pay gets gold trading option, where it can deliver physical 24-karat gold at your doorstep. This technical update is from Apple. Apple analyst Meng Chi Q said that the third generation AirPods might arrive in 2021, and he also said that AirPods Pro second generation may be expected by the end of 2022. This technical update is from Apple. After the release of iPhone 2020, Apple had mentioned the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus are going to be discontinued. As keeping their words, Apple has stopped production of iPhone 8 and 8 Plus in India, where the consumers can able to buy these goods until the current stocks expire. The final technical update is from LG. The most awaited mobile from LG is getting to be launched officially on May 7th. We know that G series had been discontinued by LG, and it is replaced by Wavelet Edition. It comes under upper mid-range segment. A few leaks says that it may have Snapdragon 765 chipset. Moving on to its camera module, the primary camera is about 48 megapixel and comes with optical image stabilization. The secondary camera is about 7-8 megapixel and it is wide angle camera. And third camera is 5 MP depth sensor. It may have water notch display and it is covered with 16 MP selfie camera. It may have 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, where we can add micro SD card for memory expansion. It also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, and also with inbuilt stereo speakers. The battery capacity of the mobile may have 4300 mAh. The cost of this will be around 699 USD. If we convert this into Indian rupees, it will be around 53,000. That's the end of today's episode. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.